guys. I wanted to create a short video. I think it will be pretty informative and help you get an understanding of how the flow of money goes from the hospital to an agency to a travel nurse. To help with the explanation, I've got a bucket of chocolates here. I think everybody can relate to that, most everybody at least. To start out with, usually what happens is hospital administration will get together and decide, hey, we need a travel nurse or travel nurses now, or in the near future, we need to start working on this. And what they will do is they'll decide what they're willing to pay for these travel nurses. For this hospital, we're going to pretend this hospital is in the state of Georgia. I'm pretty familiar with the bill rates and the pay rates in the southeast United States, and since my home state is Georgia, we're going to pretend like this hospital is in Georgia. So let's say the hospital administration has all gotten together and they have decided that they are willing to pay $70 an hour for a travel nurse. And for this example, I have a bucket full of 70 chocolates here. So what this hospital does is they will then take this bucket of chocolates and hand it over to an agency. And the agency will then say, all right, I can find you a travel nurse. I believe that we can make all this work. But I have an office where I have to pay rent in. I have a light bill or a power bill. I have a water bill. I have to pay my recruiters. I have to pay a third-party payroll company. I have to pay workman's comp. I have to pay liability insurance. I have to pay for marketing. And we know some agencies spend lots of money on marketing. So we're going to say that this agency is actually a very nice agency to travel nurses, and that they don't try and take advantage of every nurse they work with. This agency is only going to take $20 an hour. That is to cover costs plus to make a profit for the company, because the company has to make a profit to make it worth it. So we're going to go ahead and pull out 1, 2, 3. We're going to pull out 20 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so that is 20 chocolates. We're just going to go ahead and get rid of these because the agency took them, and as a nurse, we'll never see them. So what is left is 50 chocolates. At this point, these chocolates can be used to make up a pay package. So we can consider this bucket now no longer the bill rate, and it is the pay package. So with this chocolates can usually be broke up several different ways to make the pay package. Like I said, we're in the state of Georgia, so I'm going to use the typical numbers you see in Georgia for this. And like we all pretty much know, most travel nurses like to make at least $20 an hour. Most people think anything less than $20 an hour is a red flag for the IRS. So let's just go ahead and take out 20 chocolates for for the hourly, because you have two categories with a pay package, or two main categories, and that is your hourly and your stipends. Your hourly has a minimum, which is the $20 we just discussed, and the stipends have a maximum amount that you can put into it. We always have to fulfill the minimum first. So let's add to the hourly rate first. And like I said, we're going to do $20 an hour. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right. So this aisle here is considered your hourly rate. Each hour you get paid 20 chocolates, or $20. So what is left in here is can be used towards the stipend, bonuses, and whatever else. So typically, we want as much money possible in the stipend category because that's tax-free. It's going to be most beneficial for the nurse at that point. So in the state of Georgia, the weekly maximum amount of housing and meals and incidental stipends you can receive in 1 week is $1,057 per week. Divide that by 36 hours. We're going to say this nurse is working 36 hours a week. So basically what you do there is $1,057 divided by 36 hours, and you get $29 and some change. Well, we have 30 chocolates here, but we can only pay out $29 and some change an hour as a maximum stipend amount per week. So what do? We're going to pull out one chocolate, which is $1 per hour, because now we have $29 an hour for stipend, which is the maximum amount you can have in a week. That leaves this one chocolate per hour, 36 hours a week. That's $36 per week because you work 36 hours. One chocolate per hour is 36 chocolates a week. Times 13 is $468. So that means there is $468 left in this pay package for you to decide, or your recruiter to decide what to do with. And hopefully they would offer it to you in a travel reimbursement or some type of reimbursement. That way you would get the last $468 of this pay package. But that's pretty much how it works. I hope this helps. Planning on making some more videos. The next one I think I want to do is why some pay package offer high hourly rates and some have low hourly rates. But I hope this video was helpful, and see y'all soon.